Welcome guys, topic is types of data. I want you to just know that these types or this classification of data is not about the data itself, it's about the observations. Okay, so we know that it is the collected observation about something, and this something will decide, and these observations will decide what the type of data is. So let's just see what it is and how we classify it. And let me just write it. Yeah, so data can be classified, or you can say the types of data are two. Okay, so one is the number one type of data is continuous, and the sorry about this spell mistake. I will correct it out, but you will get the idea, right? So, and the second is categorical. So these are the two what the heck is that? Yeah, so these are the two types in which data can be classified, and let's just give it some examples so that we can concrete this idea, right? So this gender, you can see it is categorical because it is in two category, male female, or you can say other always, right? So male female is male is one category. Let me just write down. Male is one category, and this will belong to that, and this will belong to that, this will belong to this category, this will belong to this, and second category is female. So female, all females will belong to this category, right? So we can categorize this data, right? This column of this data, right? So this is the categorical data. You can point out this, and the continuous data is this one, the age, right? So this age can be like 45 40, and continuous, it can like maybe it will be in the limits, or you can say 0 to maybe highest will be 150. No one is more than 150 years old, right? In today's time. So you can say it has a limit, but it will be continuous. It can be anything between 0 to 150 or 0 to 100, right? 0.1 maybe the baby's age is 1 month, and something like that, right? So this age will be continuous, and this gender will be categorical, and you can think of like heck lot more examples, right? So categorical can be maybe color, and country, and so many things. I will not just take your time on that. And continuous, you can think height and age, and marks, and whatever you can think of, right? So let me just yeah, give you some examples about that. Yeah, so you can just think it, see it in there. Categoricals and eye color and level of education, these are all categoricals. And quantitative is class size, square footage, population size, height, and etc. So that was all about types of data, and I will see you in the next video where we talk about data further, right?